Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm here again to do what I love doing. Let's go ahead and install this software. You know, sometimes if you did not install this software properly, you will definitely run into issues. One of the issues is when you try to check the version on by going through the command prompt, there will be a message. GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. Sometimes you might have another issue that says the file has been downloaded incorrectly. So you have to make sure that you downloaded the right version for your operating system. Mine is a Microsoft Windows 10 operating system 64. Okay, so here what you have to do here, I will leave the link in the description box or section. What you have to do is to go choose your version. This is 64 and this is 32. If you have 32, you go for that. I have 64. I will go ahead and click and download the software. So preferably this version 8.10. Click and download. Once the download is completed, you will see it here. I have already downloaded that. Then go ahead and get it. So here is the software. What we have to do is to right click, then go for extract to. In my own case, I prefer going for this part, extract to. If you don't have this zip file, go and download it. So when you click extract to, it will take a while to extract. I have already done that and I have it here. So what you have to do next, let's go to File Explorer. You can go to File Explorer, then under this PC, go for Windows C, the C drive, then go for Program Files. Once you are here, remember I went for the Program Files x86. Then once you are here, you can now drag this and put it here. I have already done that, and that is, you can see it here. So once you have it here, click, open it, click again, open it, then click on the bin. What you have to do now is to click outside here. You see everything is highlighted. Then right click and copy the link. Come to the search bar and type env, that is the environment variables. So go for edit the system environment variables. Then when you come here, go for environment variables, and under system variables, go for paths. Click on paths to highlight it, then click on edit. I have already done it here. Let me delete that. So once you are here, you will have to, so once you are here, you go for new and then paste the link you copied, and that is it. Then click OK, then click OK, and then OK. So now let's go check if we have that version. But before we do that, I think I will have to do something here. env, let me go back. Let me go for environment variables again, path, then edit. Let me go delete this. Okay, Okay, so now let's go for cmd command prompt. So let's go for the code, write this gcc just to check the version if we have it installed. gcc dash then version, and then hit enter. You can see we have gcc is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or bash file. That means we have to, let's go back to env again, environment variable, open it, then go for environment variables again, and here click on the path under system variables, click on path to highlight it, and then edit. Here click on new and then paste the link, click outside here, then click OK, again click OK, and again click OK. Once you are done, let's go for cmd again and see if we have it installed. So we go for gcc dash version and hit enter. Here we go, successful. Here we go, successful. You know, you see this this part that I highlighted just now. Sometimes I love let me show you what I did here. env again, go to under system variables, go to path, go to edit. See where I pasted that here, excluding this, the part that, let me go to edit, excluding this. It doesn't work with this arrow. You can put arrow, yeah. I did that, and equally for my, let me see, equally for my, let me go through admin cmd, and then we have run as admin. Yes, so you can see I equally have this part. If I go for gcc slash version, we are good to go. You can see we have the version that we just, you know, downloaded and installed. If you go back here again, env, let me show you something here. Environment variables, under path, edit, then you can see I have this part again here, Windows System 32. So that is it. If you think, or if for example you got it installed successfully, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You will see that red subscribe button, beside it a notification bell. Click that notification bell and click on all, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. You will be notified to come check it out. Share the video to friends. Thank you for watching, and God bless.